just want me to crank it over?
So prime the car a couple times, cycle the key without starting it a couple times to prime the fuel system.
Okay.
Make sure you can hear the pump.
This will be video because it should start here.
Fucking got her going.
Okay, cycle it 2-3 times. Watch for the oil coming out there. It'll probably start pissing out.
Alright, that's 3 times.
Okay. Oh, I just want to hold the cup where it's gonna fucking something dump it in.
They come out?
Yeah.
His excitement is through the roof.
Are you zooming in on his face?
Stop smiling. Right now, stop it. That sounded awesome.
Post-start interview.
No, Joey, how does it feel?
We'll give him a post-start interview.
Yeah, go over there and you can interview him.